1. Right off the start, we have Code Crushers grabbing some greens, Central Davis A grabbing some greens and some purples. And it looks like Central Davis A is also attempting to knock those reds off the post. Code Crushers, 2 greens in their system. Can they get them into the goal? At 35 seconds, you can now switch drivers. Central Davis A getting 4 purples into that goal. It looks like they've got a ton of greens ready for the next goal. Code Crushers manages to get 2 of the greens into the goal. And Central Davis A builds another goal with a ton of green cues. And it looks like Code Crushers are attempting to make a park, and so is Central Davis A. In the last 3 seconds, they both managed to make a park. All right, for qualification match number 58, we have 40301. G, stay at home, and it's at